Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, this video, I will show the debugging process. No, sit properly. Sit properly. Yes, I will show you debugging process. You know debugging process? It means that I'm writing the instruction to the robot to make the cup like this. And then you are another programmer. Okay, you check my instruction whether my instruction is correct or not. Understand? So I will make this.
No, you.
Okay, I will make this, and then you check instruction. Understand? Okay. Look, I will write the instruction. First, I will stick it on and move it half. And move it half, then drop it down. And then erase up, and move half, and move half, and move another half, and move another half, and drop it down. Okay? And then I erase the cup up. Oh, okay. Wait.
You wish to.
Wait. I erase the cup up. I erase and move it half, and move it half, and move it half, and move another half, and then move half, and then one more half, and then I put it down. Okay. And then
Please.
erase it up. Don't check it. Don't pull on me. Okay. And then move half, and then I move half, and then put it down.
No, you're wrong.
Wait. Okay. I raise it up. Okay. Half. Yeah. Half. And a half. And another half. And then I turn it upside down. And then I drop it. Okay. So I want you to check my code. Here's my code, my instruction, and then I put all the cup back, and you follow my instruction. You read my instruction, and then you find out where is a mistake. Can you do it? Okay. You follow my instruction, and then you put the cup. You put the cup. Follow my instruction.
Left, down, up, left, down, left, wait, okay, up,
No, it's in here. I think it's in here. You start from here. You confused. Try again from here. No, it's correct. This one. Okay, up to here, and then you follow the instruction.
up,
Mm-hmm.
left.
So, yeah,
It's a mistake.
Yeah, it's a mistake. Mm-hmm.
No. Up. Left.
Okay, so it means mistake, right?
One mistake.
Yeah, and then you need to fix it. Can you fix it? Can you fix this one? No, if you put it down, if you move here, you put it down, it will be like this. And it's wrong. You have to,
Turn.
okay. So it will be move here, up, move here, and then it will turn here, and then put like this, right? So this called debugging process. Understand? Debugging. Debugging.
Debugging.
Okay, understand now? So it means that debugging is mean you fix the problem in the instruction of the coding. Understand? When there are some instruction is wrong, the computer will follow the wrong instruction. So it's not correct, right?
Okay, I'll do this one.
Yeah, and then you need to fix it. Understand?
Okay.
When you fix it, they call debugging process.
Debugging process.
Okay.
Risk.